Let's explore interface implementation in Go, which is implicit and powerful. Understanding Go's implicit interface satisfaction leads to flexible and loosely coupled code design. So what exactly are interfaces? Interfaces define a contract of methods that a type must implement. They specify what a type can do, not how it does it. Here's a basic example of an interface. We define an interface called writer. It has a method called write, which takes a slice of bytes as input and returns an integer and an error. Any type with a write method satisfies the writer interface. Here, we define a struct called FileWriter, which has a file name field of type string. Go features implicit implementation of interfaces. This means no explicit declaration is needed. Just implement the methods of the interface. Here's an example of implementing the write method for the FileWriter type. The write method takes a FileWriter receiver and a slice of bytes as input. The implementation details are omitted here, but the method returns the length of the data and a nil error. Because FileWriter now has the write method, it implicitly implements the writer interface. We can create a variable w of type writer and assign a FileWriter value to it. Multiple types can implement the same interface. Consider another type, network writer, which has an address field of type string. It also has a write method that sends data over the network. Both FileWriter and network writer implement the writer interface because they both have a write method with the correct signature. Implicit interfaces offer several benefits. First, loose coupling. Types don't need to know about the interfaces they satisfy. Second, flexibility. It's easy to adapt existing types to new interfaces. Here are the key takeaways from this discussion. Go interfaces are implicitly satisfied, so no explicit declarations are needed. This enables flexible and loosely coupled design.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.